2005 Fire Red Black Tone. The 2025 iteration adheres to the original blueprint. Smooth white leather uppers and striking fire red accents on the inside lining and midsole are its defining features. It's the much-awaited return of the striking black tongue, which was last seen in the 2013 edition. On the lateral sides, the well-known 23 stitching adds a timeless touch. The original Nike Air marking is back on the heel for the first time since 1990, which makes it an essential item for OG collectors. The final element is an icy translucent outsole to completing the ensemble. Modern style and nostalgia are combined in this publication. The genuine detailing will appeal to longtime aficionados, while new sneakerheads can find a genuine Jordan classic. Set your calendars for September 13, 2025. It costs $210 at retail and comes in men's sizes.